सीरियसली बहुत ही एक्साइटेड था।
Motorcycle, choose the right accessories.
प्रतीक के साथ चल रहे हैं हम लोग, नीचे जाके चेक करते हैं कि सेमी रिजिड पैनियर्स आर एम्प्टी। तो सिंपल ना, मतलब किसी कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है आपको। द मोस्ट आई वुड से आइकॉनिक थिंग फॉर लोन राइडर विच इज नोन, पता है ज़्यादा सीनिक शॉट नहीं है ये, बट अभी हम जा रहे हैं अपने लोन राइडर के बैग्स लेने बाइक एंड बाइकर से। और ट्रैफिक बहुत ज़्यादा है। मैंने सोचा था मैं दिन में थोड़ा लंच टाइम में निकल लूँगा, बट इसेंशली क्या हुआ कि बहुत सारा काम हो गया एकदम लास्ट मोमेंट पे। कुछ बिजनेस रिक्वायरमेंट्स थी तो वो सारी मुझे कंप्लीट करनी थी, एंड देन आई ऑब्वियसली वर्क इज़ द फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी। तो अब क्या कर सकते हैं। So essentially, so just be aware of such squids on the road, because आपकी गाड़ी बड़ी है and then you have to handle this size of a vehicle, which is essentially tough job. गर्मी भी मुझे लग रही है, it's not because of engine heat, it's because of the sun there. We have arrived to BikenBiker, क्योंकि सुपर बाइक का पहला प्रिंसिपल यही है कि भैया आप उल्टा लगाओ इंजन पावर ताकि आपको मिल जाए। ओके, टिक गया है बाइक। तो ही इज फाइटिंग विद समवन, आई डोंट नो व्हाई। तो अब हम चलते हैं ऊपर और देखते हैं जो अपना सामान आ गया है। ओके, श्रीजीत इज देयर। So that's right, what you can see around. I am at BikenBiker right now, और मैं आया हूँ अपने लोन राइडर के बैग्स पिकअप करने और साथ साथ मर्चेंडाइज भी देखने की क्या क्या आया है। तो आपको भी हम दिखाएंगे कि क्या क्या मर्चेंडाइज आ गया है। एंड दिस इज़ गोइंग टू बी द फर्स्ट ऑफिशियल आई वुड से लोन राइडर बैग माउंटेड ऑन माई बाइक, एंड वी विल सी द माउंटिंग कि कैसे होता है और शेप कैसे लगती है बाइक की उसके बाद। और मीनवाइल हम लोग सारा मर्चेंडाइज भी देखेंगे। अभी श्रीजीत से थोड़ी देर में बात करते हैं और क्या क्या आया। कुछ तो चीज़ें मुझे वहाँ दिख रही हैं, जैसे कि सामने का हेडलाइट ग्रिल HG और HGX, मतलब 1200 GS के लिए और 1250 GS के लिए, दोनों के लिए है। एंड बैग्स भी मुझे दिख रहे हैं बहुत सारे। एंड उसके बाद जो इम्पॉर्टेंट एक चीज़ रह जाती है वो ये है कि इसकी सर्विस, पार्ट्स, मतलब कुछ डैमेज होता है तो क्या प्रोवाइड करेंगे, क्या चीज़, वो सारी बातें अभी हम श्रीजीत से करेंगे। जस्ट होल्ड ऑन फॉर अ सेकेंड, आई थिंक ही इज़ इन मीटिंग राइट नाउ एंड वी कैन चेक द स्टोर्स अभी। के साथ हम लोग करेंगे अनबॉक्सिंग बैग की, मतलब जो मोस्ट अवेटेड लोन राइडर का 3138 कॉम्बिनेशन था BMW 1250 GS के लिए मेरे। एंड आई वॉज रियली एक्साइटेड। मुझे मतलब जब ये लैंड हुआ, श्रीजीत ने भी मुझे मतलब अनबॉक्सिंग वीडियोस, अनलोडिंग वीडियोस भेज दी थी। सो आई वॉज वेटिंग with a big amount of patience, I would say, and finally it's here and there it is lying there, right? This is called LRMTB38, that means I think 38 liter, and I think the other one will be 31 liter. So अभी बस प्रिप करते हैं और उसके बाद अनबॉक्सिंग शुरू करते हैं। वाओ यार, मैं सीरियसली बहुत ही एक्साइटेड था इन बॉक्सेस के लिए। वाओ, ये ऑर्डर दिया तुमने? वाओ, तो सही है। ओके, so I think this is the inner liner that will be waterproof. Okay, and what else we have? This is packing. This will be consumables, I think, for fitments. And finally, यार 38 की जो पैकिंग है वो छोटी है, and I'm not sure why. This looks like a kidney bed. Okay. So finally, this is the bag, and we've got a mounting plate here. The best part about this is, I think, this is going to directly fit to BMW's OEM racks. So there is no additional attachment which is required. Okay. So I think this is the thing when you are carrying it empty, so you can just tighten this up, and this will kind of save a lot of space. You need not need to carry that inflated thing when your I think boxes are your soft panniers are semi-rigid panniers are empty. So this is another feature of this particular bag, I think. सही है. 38 liter, big, small, big. I don't know why the box is bigger in case of a smaller bag and smaller in case of a bigger bag. Not sure why and what it is. By the way, एक चीज़ और, BikenBiker is the first to get this officially. So this is going to be the first official, I think, dealer in India for Lonerider. So they don't have only bags. We'll see other things also. Along with that, I would say front headlight grill. You have crash bar bags. You have, I would say, top bags which are there. So a lot of accessories they've got. So we'll just check it out what all these people have got. तो प्रतीक, ये तो काफ़ी अच्छा स्टॉक रखा हुआ है आप लोगों ने अभी.
Yes, we have got quite a good amount of stock.
क्योंकि मतलब जैसे ये न्यूज़ फैलेगी, मतलब in the sense it is going to sell like hot cakes, it's going to be gone. So guys, pick up your order. Call up Pratik और श्रीजित. उनका नंबर मैं ऊपर लिंक में दे दूँगा और डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी. Okay, so the same thing. It is going to be. So we'll just take this out. I think they will look identical. Because जो thickness है ना इनकी, वो adjustable है भी. It's here. अच्छा हाँ. So what are these kidney belts? ये अंदर के shapers हैं. Basically you put it inside and then it creates a shape. And it also takes the impact in case of the bike falls or there is an eventuality, right? See, the size is identical, the dimensions. Only the width will change. Okay, so we've got one lock, there is a key there, and these are clippers which are there, and then we've got the bag which will be the shoulder bag, I think, and then you have Lonerider stickers obviously, and which company sells in. This is, I think, the installation ke liye one tool they have given, star key, which is kept in mind that BMW comes with the star nuts, right? And what is this, Pratik? I think these are the mounts.
These are the mounts that go onto your
OEM rack, right? So I think fair amount of stuff. Let's see what is there inside this one. Probably you do the honors on this. ठीक है. Okay, sticker set है आपके पास, एक आ जाता है. And then larger ones we have. And what else we got?
That's a balaclava.
Yeah, balaclava. Okay, yeah.
That's
That's
the keychain.
a keychain. Yeah, that's the cool stuff. So essentially, this particular stuff I got it when I got my headlight grill as well. This is waterproof, but this will keep it more safe, I think. So this is 38 liter, and you can put it बाइक के साथ लगाने के लिए होगा, जिनके स्टैंडर्ड OEMs नहीं आते होंगे लोग. ये तो ऐसे ही लग जाएगा मुझे लगता है. चलें. कैमरा पकड़ता हूँ मैं, आप लोग ये चलो. ये कौन सा 38 अब प्रतीक के साथ चल रहे हैं हम लोग. नीचे जाके चेक करते हैं कि भैया कैसे लगेगा ये. कोई इनको मैनुअल वगैरह नहीं दिया इसका, तो या तो फिर DIY करना पड़ेगा. देखते हैं, यूट्यूब पे देखते हैं. This goes here. Essentially that goes on that rail.
That's about it.
That's
बस
about
लॉक
it.
करना है, लॉक तो मैं कर दूंगा. बैठ
लॉक
गया.
हो जाएगा. प्रतीक ने जुगाड़ निकाल ही लिया है एकदम से. सेट हो गया यार ये तो. दिस इज क्वाइट इजी, राइट? अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे. बस ये डाला और ऊपर से लेट्स. यार इट इज सो सिंपल ना, मतलब किसी कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है आपको. इस टाइम में थोड़ा सा लगेगा. बस ये यहाँ पे लॉक को लैच किया एंड देन जस्ट पुट द की. अच्छा, ये सिंगल की है क्या? हाँ, कूल है. सही हो गया ये भी. सो अभी बैग पे हमने माउंट तो कर दिए दोनों साइड के आई वुड से बैग्स, और अभी इसका होने वाला फ़ोटो शूट जैसा भी रहेगा बाइक सब एंगल पे लगा के देखेंगे इसको कैसे रहेगा. So I'm at BikenBiker right now. So Sreejith just demonstrated all the set of accessories we've got from Lonerider. So they're the only importer and reseller for Lonerider. So if you're looking for Lonerider stuff, just hop into BikenBiker. So here we have first of all we've got the Lonerider top bag, tail bag, right? So this is a tail bag where it is. I just talk it. It's nasty a little bit. Okay, yeah. So this is completely waterproof and it is also following the semi-rigid concept, which has these supporters, and you have the inner, I would say, what is this?
Actually, इसके ऊपर लगा था.
Okay, so this is, I think, an expander which is there, right? So wherein you can put in your accessories, your electronics and all that. So here and then the most, I would say, iconic thing for Lonerider, which is known, we have got the Edge X, which is for 1250 GS, the new light concept, and then we have got the Edge G, which is for 1200 GS, the previous generation one, right? And then this is not the sleek, which is for the guns. This is again the bags which is mounted next to your, I would say, saddle, next to the saddle on 1250 GS. Okay, and then you have the heat guard, which is there for the exhaust pipes, I would say headers, I would say, not exhaust pipes, headers. So this is also available with them. Latest, which was in talks, the tank bag, which is, I would say, waterproof. And here's the, I would say, the thing which I got fascinated. It is this is slide. So here you just open it. Okay, this is complete. Even the zippers are waterproof. So there is an inner bag which is there, and we've got a, what else? It is gonna open like that. Yeah. So here is little cushy thing. So you can put in your electronics. I think if they jump also, it will not get damaged. So this is what I feel. And this is what we have procured today. 31 plus 38. Semi-rigid bags from Lonerider, completely waterproof, completely squeezable. The best part about it is if it is empty, you can squeeze it. So I think the inside there is an inside support right now, but it can be squeezed. So I'll show you it on my bike when it is there. And this is finally which makes your bike look broad, right? So this is the crash guard bags which are there. So this also comes with the waterproof liner inside. So this is the complete set of accessories which we've got at BikenBiker. And again, as I say, they won't oversell you, they won't undersell you, they'll profile you, and then they'll recommend you what accessories do you need. So they have plethora.
Hi guys, so here we have Sambhav.
Hi guys.
I think from 3 years back, a classic 500 was what he walked into our store with. Helping him with accessories from that motorcycle to an Interceptor, and then now the 1250 GSA. That was the journey of Sambhav with BikenBiker, and of course today I would force you to tell me how was your experience with BikenBiker overall?
See, first and foremost, what I saw in BikenBiker, they profile you. It is not like you just walk in, अच्छा मुझे ये चाहिए, ये bag चाहिए, और ये accessory चाहिए. They'll ask you the purpose, okay, and then on that purpose they are selling you or recommending you that product. And one thing you can be assured at BikenBiker, they are not going to oversell you. I have seen that in my journey with them, as they mentioned about Classic 500, Interceptor and GS. So I made a list of accessories. I showed it to Sreejith. He said like, you don't need it. You need only 7 to 10 accessories. He could have really pushed me all the accessories and sold it. And this is what I've seen across the stores, many stores, I would not name them, but here they will profile you. There is a room there, actually they will make you sit there, they will profile you exactly, that this is what you need, this is the purpose. And once you've achieved that stage with your motorcycle, you've acclimatized, then the upgrade happens. So I think the experience is wonderful, and be whatever the part of the country, just give him a call or connect with him. They will definitely try to profile you and your needs. Yeah.
As always, we believe in that one thing. Motorcycle, choose the right accessories.
तो प्रोक्योरमेंट भी हो गई, इंस्टॉलेशन भी हो गई, और हम लोगों ने वीडियो शॉट्स भी देख लिए. बट इंस्टॉल वीडियो शॉट्स के लिए अभी शाम को मैं थक गया था थोड़ा सा, तो अभी नीचे चलते हैं और वहाँ पे देखते हैं कि इंस्टॉल्ड वीडियो शॉट्स कैसे आए हैं. लेट मी जस्ट फिनिश माई कॉफ़ी. जैसे ही कॉफ़ी ख़त्म करूँगा उसके बाद देन विल आई थिंक टेक यू डाउन देयर एंड पुट इट देयर बिकॉज अभी सनलाइट अच्छी है और अच्छे से बिल्कुल दिखेगा. और ये ऑफिशियली पहले बैग्स हैं इंडिया में लोन राइडर के जो इंस्टॉल होने जा रहे हैं मेरे बाइक पे. And as you know, BikenBiker is the official importer and reseller for Lonerider in India. So if you're looking for the Lonerider accessories, also just get in touch. As a reseller, you want to become a seller for that, just get in touch with Sreejith. And if you're looking for your bike, just get in touch again with BikenBiker. And you'll get a very good service. People are very humble there. So अभी कॉफ़ी ख़त्म करते हैं और उसके बाद नीचे चलते हैं, ठीक है? The entire set of accessories which we got, and the bike which you saw is the first bike in India to get the official Lone Rider bags. Okay, and again I would say if you're looking for any accessories, drop into BikenBiker. And this is from the experience. I am not paid for this particular promotion. This is the experience which I have got and I'm sharing it with you. So if you like the video and found it somewhere useful, कुछ भी मतलब लगा के value add था या useful था, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. We'll be back with another episode of maybe a product review or a ride. Till then, stay tuned for Freedom Films. Bye bye.